children, today let's start with chapter number 3, Advanced Features of Excel 2016. So in this chapter, we will study about Microsoft Excel. So imagine you have large list of students and names and the test scores in actual spreadsheet. And now you want to make a sense of this data quickly and easy. So what you will do, we will do the sorting of data. What is sorting? It refers to arranging data. जब हम data को arrange करते हैं specific order में, which is based on values in one or more का. It is useful when you want to arrange data. ये useful होता है जब आप data को alphabetically और numerically क्या करते हो, arrange करको. And find the highest to lowest value and establish a specific order of or otherwise. Basis sorting is applied when sorting is to be done only one column, and while advanced sorting is implemented for multi-levels हो, जिसमें आपके 2 or more columns involved. Right? In other words, sorting it is the process of arranging data. एक process है जिसमें आप data को arrange करते हो in meaningful order so that you may analyze it more efficient. आप इसको क्या कर सकते हो, एनालाइज कर सकते हो ज्यादा एफिशिएंटली. यू माइट वांट टू ऑर्डर सेल्स डाटा, राइट, calendar month and sale performance graph. You can sort type of data alphabetically and in numeric order to make data analyze more efficient, right? Now sorting one column. Now click any cell. आपको कोई एक column को sort out करता, कोई भी एक cell पे क्या करके click करेंगे. And to sort in ascending order on the data tab, in sort in filter group you will click AZ. जैसे आप AZ पे करेंगे तो वो sort out with it. अब आप multiple चाहते हैं, so on the data in the sorting group you will click sort dialog box will appear. आप जिसको sort out करना चाहते हैं, last name, whatever what you want to sort you can sort and click on add level, select sales from then drop down list and click OK. And result records are sorted by last name and first. Now filtering data. What are filtered? It can be used to narrow down the data in our worksheet which hide part of its sheet. Filter your Excel data if you want to display only records. Like click any single the cell inside the data set. On data tab in sort and filter group or arrow will be found. You will click on the arrow next to the country. Click on select all, click OK, result will be displayed. आप देखेंगे कि जो आपका रिजल्ट है वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो जाए. Now what is conditional formatting? It is a feature in many spreadsheet application जो allow करता है आपको कि आप क्या अप्लाई करो specific formatting to the cell, जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो different criteria को या certain criteria को met कर सकते. Right? It emphasizes differentiate data and information which is stored in your spreadsheet. Now highlight cell, you will select range A1 to A10, right? On the home tab in the style group, click the conditional formatting and click highlight cell rules greater than. After the value 80 and select the formatting style. You will click OK. Now change the value. आप cell A1 to 81 क्या करोगे, value को change करो. Now clear rules. To clear a conditional formatting rule, what function we will execute? First you will select the range. आप A1 से A10 तक range को select कर ले, right? And afterward you will on the home tab जो style group है वहाँ पे आप click करोगे किस पे? यहाँ पे देखो different option हो गया, आप conditional formatting पे दो, right? Click clear rules from the selected set. Top bottom rule. Select the range A1 to A10 on the home tab, the style group. Click conditional formats. You will click top bottom rules above average. Select formatting style. You will click OK. Excel calculate average and select the range A to D set. On the home tab, the style group, click conditional formatting. Click new rule. Enter the formula $C to US. You will select the formatting over here. Now conditional formatting is formulas. Take your Excel skills to the next level and you will use formula जिससे आप different cells format को क्या कर सकते हो, determine कर सकते. You will select range A1 to E5. On the home tab, the style groups, click conditional formatting. Click new rule, select use a formula to determine the cell to format. Enter the formula, select the formatting style and you will click OK. You can see the explanation. Always you will write the formula in the upper left cell of the selected day. Excel automatically copies the formula to the other cell and the cell A2 contains the formula ISODD. Cell A3 contains the formula that is A3X6. Right? This is all in this chapter, how you can sort the data in the different. Now we'll do the exercise of this chapter. Dash is arranging data from largest to smallest. That is descending sorting. Descending order होता है ना, इसमें से हम बड़े से छोटा करते हैं, largest to smallest. That is descending sorting. Dash is arranging data according to our requirement. That is conditional formatting. Now dash is used to narrow down the data in our worksheet. That is filter. Background and foreground colors are controlled through. किससे कंट्रोल करते हैं हम? शेडिंग ऑफ. Dash allows you to apply specific formatting to the cell to meet the certain criteria. That is sorting. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is sorting can be done alphabetically, not numerically first. You cannot sort data in ascending or descending order. False. हम sort out कर सकते हैं. Filter can be conditional formatting in Excel enables you to highlight cell. It's true. Filters can be used to narrow down the data in your worksheet. It's true. You can sort your Excel data on one column to multiple columns. It's true. First is tick the right answer. What happens to the header row when you click on the filter command? That is drop down arrow appears on the header. Under which tab and the group of command will you find the filter? That is data sort and filter. Now the rearrangement of data, ascending or descending order में उसे हम sorting कहते हैं. Next is conditional formatting option. जो conditional formatting option है वो आपको कहाँ present होता है? Under the data tab. When data is arranged in ascending or descending order for only one column, it is called single column sorting. Now we have matched the following. First is conditional formatting, that is your restrict the cell entries with a specific range. Next is pivot table. It is from the arrangement of data from A to Z. Data validation. What is data validation? Condition must be true and false. Record. Consolidating and summarizing and presentation data. Ascending row in X. Now we have answered the following. What do you mean by sorting data? मतलब क्या है? Sorting का मतलब क्या होता है? Why do we use conditional formatting? And how do you use top to bottom rules in Excel? Write down the steps so that you can apply filter in MS Excel. And write down the steps to apply conditional formatting in MS. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.